Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK, and welcome also to my second episode of my Sunday summary and signposting videos. Now, if you watched last week, you'll know that this video is about summarising what I've done this week and signposting what I'm going to do next week. And the idea is it's to save people time, because I am about to start posting a lot more videos. We're getting right into the gardening year now, so I'm going to be very busy posting lots of videos on lots of various subjects, and you may not have time to watch or listen to them all. So I'm going to summarise at the end of the week what I've just done and signpost at the start of the week what I'm about to do, so that you can come to this video on a Sunday and decide which of the videos you're interested in watching, thereby saving you some time and quite potentially some frustration. All the videos which I mention in this video will be signposted and linked to in the description box below. So let's start with what happened last week. I have to say, I've not been as busy as I would have liked to have been last week, because we had my father-in-law's funeral sadly last week, so it's been a busy week. However, I have managed to get a few videos done. I did a video on bay trees, bay tree care and bay tree rescue, and you can see a link to that in the description box below this video. I also did a video on a new pair of boots which I bought. Again, test driving some boots. I dropped a lump of concrete on the steel toe caps just to see whether they were effective, and it turned out they were, so there's a link to that video in the description box below this one. I did also this week a video which is proving to be quite a success actually, and seems to be quite popular. A video on what to do with daffodil bulbs after they finished flowering. I replanted them in the garden. I spoke about what the best process and what is considered to be the best way of dealing with spent bulbs to get the most out of them in years to come. And finally, this week, I did have a couple of days away, a kind of a rest and recuperation weekend in Conway, North Wales, and I did a video about a garden there called Bodnant Gardens. Beautiful garden, and the link to that video is in the description box below. So let's now talk about what I've got coming up in the very near future in future videos for you. Now, I've just found in a garden centre these two U plants, U spirals, which were reduced, so I had to buy them. I do spend a lot of my YouTube income on projects in the garden, so I'm going to do this week a video on U tree care. I'm going to do some research. I don't know a lot about it. I know they don't like to have wet roots, but I'll be doing a video on U tree care this week and planting these up. I've just brought my collection of aloe vera plants out from winter storage, so I'd like to do a video on aloe vera this week. And this palette is going to be made into some garden obelisks, so that's a video for this week too. Now, down here, I bought this little tray of plants from Morrison's, reduced from £5 to 50p. They're pansies, so not only am I going to do a video about pansies, but I'm also going to talk about why you should always head to the clearance shelf when you go to any supermarket or garden centre. I have still got lots of work to do on the garage conversion, and we're at the stage now where we'll be connecting the drains for the new toilet, so that will be the subject of a video in the very near future. Watch this space. My asparagus has started to pop up. Hopefully you can see it here if I put my hand behind it. This is a purple variety of asparagus. I want to do a video on asparagus care and how to get the best out of your asparagus bed. I might even do a bit of asparagus cooking. I do need to do some update videos. This is the bamboo I rescued, doing really well. And these are the holly cuttings I took, so I need to talk about those as well. And finally, down here by the wildlife pond. By the 18th of March last year, we had frogs, toads and newts spawn in here. We've not got any yet, but I'm expecting it this week, so I'll be able to give you an update on that. But there's an interesting thing here. Do you remember that I dug a series of holes here? And the objective is to have a moat, a kind of horseshoe shaped moat around the edge of my existing wildlife pond. Well, the interesting thing about it is, down in the corner of this one, I found an old Victorian dump, so I intend excavating that in the very near future too. So all those videos which I've spoken about in this one, you will be able to find links to in the description box below this one. If they were last week's videos, the links will be in immediately, and next week's videos will be added as I do them. Hope that's a useful process, and I hope it makes life easier for you to keep up with things in my garden. Now, don't forget, in the very near future, you will be able to sign up for my newsletter, which is going to contain all the news and advice and those discount codes that I keep getting given by product suppliers. So, bye for now, and I'll see you soon for some more house and garden adventures. Bye for now.